In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the concept of libraries inside Lockdoc. So as an administrator, you'll have the ability to create additional libraries to manage documentation. So to do that, you'll find this underneath the customer libraries setting. So when you get in here, you'll see the list of all the libraries that you've created. By default, when you start using Lockdoc, your tenant may have configured libraries for you. However, you can create additional libraries if you need to. To do that, use the library option here. And by creating a library, you define a name, which is important. That is what others will see when they need to identify the library. So it should be descriptive. It's important to remember a library is not a folder. It's more or less a way to define governance for your information. Other properties in Lockdoc are used to classify documents, so there's no need to define folder structures. However, it is if you have different groups within your organization that may be responsible for documentation, then those would be how you would kind of organize the libraries. For example, projects might be a spot where you put your project office would have their project documentation. And maybe you've got a safety library, so your safety managers could have a spot to control the documentation related to safety audits and other things like that. So when you're defining your library, you can put a description and also the sharing level, library type, owner, and manager. So the first option, sharing level, you can choose nobody, customer, network, or everyone. So what the sharing level is, it basically defines who can see the information you're publishing to the Lockdoc. So nobody is self-explanatory, nobody but yourself, your CList, files that are put in this library. Customer, you select that, that means that all of your customer employees will be able to see the document. You choose network. This is an optional feature for some tenants. Any members of your network, your content network, can also see that your files in this library. And then finally, everyone is sort of a public option. So if in the case of the Lockdoc, it lets you share a public folder for anybody who uses Lockdoc. The library type, just three different types. We've got personal documents, which are documents that are just meant for individuals and employees. Shared documents are those that are available to the organization or our customer. And then we've got Lockdoc forms. Lockdoc forms are used to classify the electronic forms submissions that are created with the Lockdoc. So the personal documents, if you choose a library with this type, only the owner of that library will be able to see these documents. It's just an extra layer of security, so it doesn't really matter what you choose as sharing level. If you choose personal documents, it's still going to restrict access to just the library owner. You can define a library owner and manager. These folks are responsible for controlling content that goes in there, so anybody can contribute information into the libraries, so uploading documents is fine, but they don't become visible basically to published until the library owner can review them. So the library owner managers are responsible for ensuring the quality of the database that they or what's going into those libraries. So for example, you can have a file that you're submitting to, instead of emailing it to your supervisor, you can drop it in a controlled library that they might manage, and then once you do that, they'll get a notification that there's new files there, and once they approve it, it'll get logged in there. If they choose not to,